What is going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to be breaking down the average function and how you can utilize it to your benefit in Excel. Now, to kick things off here, you're going to begin by typing equals average. As you begin to type average, you'll see a prompt here for the function. Select that function. Then you're going to see some prompts inside the function. It's going to give you a little hint here. You want to begin by typing in number 1, number 2, and so on and so forth. You can also select a range. So you can select the range of cells here, and it'll also calculate it if you don't wish to type in each number manually or select multiple cells. Selecting a range can be the easiest way of doing this. So after you select the range of cells, go ahead and press enter, and you'll see here that it generates the average of all these numbers here in this first row. Now you can of course autofill this down by double clicking that little square there, and you'll see that it'll get the averages of each individual row for the sales agents James, Mary, Ann, Larry, Ben, Dave, and Jason. Now you can also accomplish this by creating a table and selecting the average function underneath using a totals row. So here we'll go ahead and select our data, and then you can press Control T, and this will bring up your create table dialog box. Now, of course, our table does have headers, so we'll go ahead and press OK, and you'll see that we generated a table. Now, select a cell within the table, and you'll notice that we'll get a little tab up here called Table Design. Select the table design, and then you can come here and select Total Row. Now, the cool part about the totals row is you don't have to have this sum here count only these values. You can select it, and you'll notice you'll get a little drop-down box here. Select the drop-down box, and you'll notice you have all of these functions available. So for this example, we'll press average. And you can also drag this across to your other columns as well, which will add that average function to each individual column. If you guys found this video helpful, please subscribe down below. And of course, I answer all the comments in the comment section below. So if you guys have any video recommendations, please let me know, and we will catch you all in the next video.